Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall the Google Chrome web browser on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon down your taskbar and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Select Category View, and then select underneath Programs, Uninstall Program. Select Google Chrome, and then select Uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall Google Chrome? Select Yes. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So now that we're back in Windows, go ahead and open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Microsoft Edge. And into Google search, you want to go look for Google Chrome. And go ahead and select one of the best matches, should be from a google.com domain. Select the Download Chrome button. I'm going to uncheck the option to send data statistics to Google, and then I'm just going to proceed to select Download Chrome. I'm going to go open up the setup file. Select Yes. So there you go, guys, simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.